एक चुना हुआ नुमाइंदा जिसको लोगों ने चुना है, अगर उसको हटाना है तो लोग ही हटाएंगे।
J&K's Aam Aadmi Party's lone MLA Mehraj Malik was detained under the Public Safety Act or PSA, a controversial law that allows detention without trial for up to 2 years. This has led to backlash from political leaders and also from people who have slammed the detention.
देखिए, एक चुने हुए नुमाइंदे को जिसको लोगों ने वोट दे करके चुन के भेजा है, और उसने कोई इतना बड़ा कसूर तो किया नहीं है, कोई इतनी बड़ी गलती उसने नहीं की है कि उसको पीएसए लगाया जाए। वो पब्लिक के हक में लड़ता है, पब्लिक के खिलाफ नहीं लड़ता है।
But what exactly is the PSA and why is Malik's case significant? The Public Safety Act was introduced in 1978 by Sheikh Abdullah, originally to keep timber smugglers in check. But over time, successive governments have been accused of misusing it to silence political opponents, separatists, and protesters. The law gives the district magistrate the power to order preventive detention based on a police dossier. Once invoked, it allows authorities to hold a person without trial 3 to 6 months at first, but extendable up to 2 years. Human rights groups have called it a lawless law, citing frequent misuse. Over the years, several leaders have been booked under the PSA. Separatist Masrat Alam Bhatt was detained 37 times under the Act. In 2019, following the abrogation of Article 370, even former Chief Ministers Farooq Abdullah, current Chief Minister Omar Abdullah, and Mehbooba Mufti were held under this law. Now Mehraj Malik joins that list. Just 37 years old, Malik is the AAP's first ever MLA in Jammu and Kashmir. He rose to prominence after winning the Doda Assembly seat last year, defeating the BJP. Known for his outspoken style, he has often clashed with officials, staged protests, and criticized both the state government and the centre. Officials say Malik faces 18 FIRs ranging from public disorder to abduction, and that he was obstructing relief efforts after recent floods in Doda. His supporters, however, call the detention political, pointing to his growing influence on the ground. Importantly, being booked under the PSA does not disqualify him from the assembly since there is no conviction, but his arrest has already triggered protests in Doda where Malik enjoys a strong support. So what happens next? Malik can appeal the order before the Home Department or move the High Court with the habeas corpus plea. Historically, many PSA detentions have been quashed by the courts. The big question, however, is whether Malik's detention is about